பார்த்து விற்கலாம் போயிட்டு ஏன்னா வீட்டுக்குல அப்புறம் நான் போட்டுலாம்ல.
How long is it? 1 meter?
1 meter, 1.5 meters.
1.5 meters.
5 feet.
Okay, wow. Hops. So guys, you see how many chairs? 1, 2, 3 chairs. It's a big table for 3 people. And yeah, and that's my, oh yeah, 4, no, 3, yeah. And that's my food tonight. I don't know how long it is. Looks.
3 people eating masala with gravy. 4 people.
He says 4 people can eat it. Well, Meow Meow is so big as 4 people. So I need a lot of food.
3 people.
Usually, yeah, look how big. And I'm going to crunch a little bit for you here. 1 second, wait. It's just basically paper, this kind of consistency. For those who don't know, it's like a pancake but hard. It's kind of crunchy and hard, and this is what we have here. Ah. That's coconut, the white one. Loads of good stuff. So yeah, that's probably my favorite thing to eat when it comes to South Indian food. I just broke it a little bit. I'm gonna take a picture quickly and I'm gonna enjoy. Thank you guys for watching.